The U.S. Air Force will roll out tens of thousands of specialized spectacles to airmen around the globe to protect their eyes from lasers and shrapnel. The gear aims to limit the potential risk to pilots and other aircrew amid a recent spike in lacing incidents. It's also the first time that Air Force-issued eyewear is designed to block lasers as well as ballistic threats, the service said Sunday. Getting lasered without having proper protection could not only prevent the pilot from flying and landing an aircraft safely, but it could also cost them their career, Captain Pete Coates, who leads the eyewear initiative at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base in Ohio, said in the release. When a laser pointer's beam hits an aircraft's windshield or an eyeball itself, the light can cause flash blindness that is particularly dangerous for troops that are taking off or preparing to land, according to the Air Force Safety Center. Preventing those disruptions can save lives in the air and on the ground. A suite of 8 types of eyewear, including daytime and nighttime anti-laser spectacles, anti-ballistics glasses, and visors that work with night vision goggles, can shield airmen from those potentially deadly effects. The gear is built to protect all aircrews except for pilots in the U-2 Dragon Lady spy plane and the F-35A Lightning II fighter, the service said in a statement. Aircrews on platforms that fly low and slow, such as helicopters or tiltrotor aircraft, need defenses against both lasers and ballistics, whereas those in fighter or bomber jets likely only need to fend off unwanted beams. The service plans to distribute more than 42,000 pairs of the glasses and visors to its units over the next 3 years. The need for such measures has played out at installations around the world, such as Italy's Aviano Air Base, which said in October it had logged 13 lacing incidents against its aircraft over the past year. The lights were most often directed at HH-60 Pave Hawk search and rescue helicopters, the base said, which are easier targets than the F-16 Fighting Falcon jets also stationed there. American and Italian officials are crafting a process to notify local law enforcement of perpetrators' locations, Aviano's 31st Fighter Wing said in a release. Aviano's woes are part of a surge in the number of laser strikes reported to federal officials over the past few years. The Federal Aviation Administration has logged more than 10,300 lacing incidents and 28 injuries so far in 2023, surpassing the nearly 9,500 events that were reported in 2022.